What if I told you that everything you've been struggling with, every challenge, every setback, every closed door, could be transformed in just 1 minute? Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. I know it sounds incredible, but today I'm going to share something so powerful, yet so simple, that it's been transforming lives across the world. And the best part, it works for everyone, regardless of where you are in life. Before we dive in, I want you to think about something for a moment. Think about that one thing you've been desperately trying to manifest. Maybe it's better health, financial abundance, or a deeply fulfilling relationship. Now, hold that thought, because what I'm about to share with you isn't just another manifestation technique. It's a scientifically proven method that Dr. Joe Dispenza has used to help thousands of people create miraculous transformations in their lives. You know, what I'm about to share with you isn't just another manifestation technique. It's grounded in real neuroscience, in the groundbreaking research that Dr. Joe Dispenza has been conducting for years. And what he's discovered is absolutely fascinating. When we combine intense emotion with clear intention, something remarkable happens in our brain. We literally begin to rewire our neural pathways. Think about this for a moment. Every time you have a thought, your brain fires off electrical signals. Every time you feel an emotion, your body releases powerful chemicals. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you consciously combine these two, when you think and feel with intention, you create what scientists call a coherent brain state. It's like your entire being becomes a powerful broadcasting station, sending out crystal clear signals to the universe. But here's what most people don't understand about manifestation. They think it's about sitting there for hours, desperately visualizing what they want. That's not how our brain works. Our brain responds most powerfully to short, intense bursts of focused energy. It's like working out. You wouldn't expect better results from lazily exercising for 3 hours versus doing an intense, focused 20-minute workout, right? This is where the magic of the 1-minute technique comes in. When you concentrate all your mental and emotional energy into just 60 seconds, something profound happens. Your brain doesn't have time to wander, to doubt, to question. Instead, it enters what neuroscientists call a peak state, a state where manifestation becomes not just possible, but inevitable. You see, your brain can't actually tell the difference between what's happening in your physical reality and what you're vividly imagining. When you engage in this practice, your brain starts producing the same neurochemicals it would if your desire had already manifested. You're literally programming your neural pathways for success, teaching your brain to expect positive outcomes. And here's something even more incredible. Research shows that when you reach this coherent state, you start affecting the quantum field around you. You're no longer just changing your brain, you're changing the very fabric of reality. It sounds like science fiction, but it's pure science. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, is sending out electromagnetic signals that interact with the world around you. Now, let me walk you through this transformative 1-minute practice in detail. And please don't just listen passively. I want you to really understand each step, because every single second is designed with purpose, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. We're going to start with the first 15 seconds, what I call the sacred breath. This isn't just regular breathing. This is conscious, intentional breathing that prepares your entire system for transformation. Close your eyes and take 3 deep, powerful breaths. As you inhale, I want you to imagine pure golden light entering through the crown of your head, filling every cell of your body. Feel it energizing you, awakening you. As you exhale, release everything that's been holding you back. Every doubt, every fear, every limiting belief. This breathing pattern does something remarkable. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, what scientists call the rest and digest state. It's in this state that real transformation becomes possible. You're literally shifting your brain waves from beta, your normal, busy thinking state, to alpha, the state where manifestation occurs. Now we move into the most powerful part, the next 30 seconds, what I call the quantum moment. This is where everything changes. Instead of just thinking about what you want, you're going to feel it with every fiber of your being. If you're manifesting health, I want you to feel vibrant energy coursing through your veins. Feel your body strong, resilient, full of vitality. If it's abundance you're seeking, feel the deep sense of security and freedom that comes with it. Feel the joy of being able to help others, the peace of mind that comes with financial security. The key here is emotional intensity. Your emotions are the fuel that powers this entire process. Don't just casually think about what you want. Feel it so deeply that it's as if it's already happened. Your heart should be swelling with gratitude, your entire being vibrating with joy. This isn't pretending. This is creating a new reality in the quantum field. Now, let's talk about something crucial: how to make this practice truly effective in your life. Because understanding the technique is one thing, but knowing how to implement it consistently and powerfully is another entirely. And this is where most people stumble, not because the practice doesn't work, but because they're missing some key elements. First, we need to talk about timing. This 1-minute practice is most powerful when done first thing in the morning. Why? Because when you first wake up, your brain is still in a theta state, a highly receptive state where you can more easily program your subconscious mind. It's like having direct access to your brain's control panel. Before you check your phone, before you get caught up in the day's demands, take this one sacred minute for yourself. Consistency is absolutely crucial. Think about it like this: if you were learning to play a musical instrument, would you practice for 8 hours one day and then not touch it again for a month? Of course not. It's the daily, consistent practice that creates lasting change. The same principle applies here. Is 1 minute, practiced with pure intention every single day, is more powerful than hours of sporadic effort. But here's something vital that most people miss. It's not just about doing the practice, it's about carrying that energy throughout your day. After your 1-minute practice, pay attention to the signs the universe sends you. When an opportunity presents itself, no matter how small, take action. This is the universe responding to your energy. Every synchronicity, every coincidence is feedback that you're on the right track. And don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember, you're not just changing your thoughts, you're literally rewiring your brain, shifting your energy field, and creating new patterns in the quantum field. This takes time. Some changes will be subtle at first. Maybe you'll notice you're feeling more positive, or opportunities start appearing in unexpected ways. Trust this process. Every time you practice, you're building momentum, creating stronger and stronger ripples in the field of infinite possibilities. Let me share something personal with you. When I first started this practice, I was skeptical. But within just 21 days, I started noticing subtle shifts. Opportunities began appearing out of nowhere. People started responding to me differently. It was as if the universe was conspiring to help me succeed. And I'm not alone. I've received thousands of messages from people who've used this exact 1-minute technique to transform their lives. From healing chronic conditions to manifesting dream jobs, the results speak for themselves.